Yeah, dear friend, my name is Olabode Oruku, Health and Wealth Coach. Today, my presentation is based on the failure of many people when it comes to online business. You will observe that most people, they have the challenge of running a successful business. They have the problem of attracting potential visitors to their website, or in short, to monetize their website. So I'm going to share some tips based on my experience in this short video. I titled it Proven Tips to Succeed in Online Business. Number one, it is important for you to run a successful business online. You must identify a lucrative niche. And for you to identify a lucrative niche, you need to draw a plan the way an architect will draw a plan for a potential house. Try to look at, use the tools, keywords, use an effective keyword tools to research that particular niche you want to do online. Is there a demand for that product or service? If there is a demand for that product or service, good. You also look at the supply, the competitors. Is there competitors? Are they? You have to do the comparison. Are the competitors, are the suppliers, people that are also in that industry, are they more than people that are searching for information, searching for their products and service? Those are another factor you also look at. You also look at the strength of your competitors. Assess it with your own strength. Can you compete with these people? These are factors you have to put together in coming up with a lucrative niche that will sell online. Unfortunately, most online business entrepreneurs, they don't do this. They just jump into a business. After putting their time, resources, and energy into it, alas, they are not doing well. And they say online business is not good, it's not bringing money. Rather than saying that they are the ones that did not do their business plan very well before they jump into it. Secondly, it is important to have a professional website. I am not saying it is a must that your website must be built by a website designer. For as long you can build a website that will look good, that will attract visitors by its look and feel, you can go ahead. The most important thing is your content. Is your content worthy? These are areas you must put into consideration. You must write content that are worthy, that will pre-sell your visitors, in the sense that they will perceive you as an expert in your industry. You must also optimize your content in a way that the search engine will feel good to put you at the top of the first page when people search for information that relates to your website. Your website too, the links must flow. It must be easier for people to move from one page to the other and get back to the home page. And your site too must be mobile friendly. The speed is also important. This little information, so many people ignore it when they are building their online business, and that contributes a lot to their failure. Number 3, I said you must explore several sales channels to reach targeted audience. You may decide to have a website, you can decide to have a blog, you can have a website and you now promote it with a blog that you write content consistently. You should also consider apply email marketing, coming up with a newsletter that you share information with your visitors or with your targeted audience regularly, people that follow you. You should also consider social media. For example, in my case now, when I take time to write a content on my website. I do my best to see that I optimize the content in a way that the search engine will put it at the top. I also write content that will add value. I do my best to over deliver information beyond what my readers are asking for, because the search engine, they take note of how people stayed on your website, their reaction. If they stay longer on your website, it adds value to your website, and the search engines too will rank you higher. So all these are really important when you are thinking of an online business. Your information too, try and share it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other platforms. But you can put in more energy into those platforms that your readers or your potential customers visit regularly. In my case, yes, I am active in most of the social media, but I put more energy into Facebook because I get more clients from Facebook than other social media. So it is your responsibility to assess how the social media are working for you and put more effort into the ones that are attracting more customers to your business. Number 4, Prioritize customer service and feedback. This is an area some people miss the opportunity of building relationship with their customers. You've put in a lot of energy. Now you have attracted people asking questions on your product or service, but you don't respond to them quickly. Because the reason is, if you don't reply their questions, inquiries on time, they will go elsewhere. And again, try to, and when they request for your product or service, offer worthy products, information they will feel good with. Over deliver more than what they expect. If you say yes because they have paid you, you offer products that will not make them happy, that will not satisfy them, you have lost a lifetime customers. So customer service is very important. And whenever you make a mistake, apologize and try to compensate for that. At times you lose to gain more. If they complain of the products and you can see that the mistake is from your hand, give them a new product, make them happy. They will talk more of your business to their friends too, and they will patronize you, and you will feel good more with the business. In conclusion, online business is not a get-rich-quick scheme. But if you are offering quality information and you persist and you are doing it consistently, it will pay off. And your business will do well online. Thank you for listening. I also encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your day.